Now, the question that we had is, do we need a flame arrestor on this valve? Normally, I think the answer would be, yeah, of course, because more protection seems like a good idea. When I said, well, I'm not so sure, let's do the proper route and let's do a proper HAZOP only of this part. So with our beautiful tool, which you can learn about if you look back our previous event, we did the HAZOP of this actual case. And there we also looked at the cold hard data. And there it was proven that the risk of sparks or flames being sucked into the tank are actually super low. However, the risk of blocking due to the fact that it freezes up, for example, when it's cold and wet, which happens a lot over here, is way higher. So in the end, we also got background data that this actually happened quite a few times over the past years nearby, where actual tanks failed due to this case. So in the end, we said, okay, based on the cold hard facts and the fact that we look at not only the explosion protection part, but at the whole thing, we will not install a flame arrestor on this breather valve. So I think this is a pretty good example of that more equipment doesn't always mean that it is actually safer.